Ina with Innichka Chef, and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making salad, harvest salad. This is fall and I want all these flavors in one bowl. This salad super easy, delicious, plant-based or vegan. You can top with cheese, of course, if you like, but I'm guaranteed the salad will have so much flavor with delicious, nutritious dressing, roasted garlic and apple cider vinaigrette. It's so good, so delicious, pairs beautifully with kale, pumpkin and wheat berries. And for the salad we need the key ingredients: pumpkin. I cannot tell you how much I miss pumpkin in the summer. And I'm using kabocha pumpkin, one of my favorite. It has very beautiful yellow flesh, and you can find in every supermarket in these days or farmers market. And it's Japanese using this pumpkin a lot in many recipes. In fact, I have one soup made called hot soup. It's rustic Japanese soup, delicious, using this pumpkin. I will link below. Very nutritious and good soup. Another ingredient: wheat. May not wheat and cooked wheat. May not wheat is very popular in these days as fashion as quinoa, but it's very nutritious. It's very delicious and has crunch and nutty flavor. Has a lot of nutrients and a lot of fiber and protein. If you're not allergic to gluten, it's a protein, and it's a good good vegan option and great on salad. It has much nutrition values than couscous, let's say, which is basically pasta. This has it's unprocessed wheat basically, and I will link below how to cook. It's already pre-cooked and chilled. I usually cooked all my grains after I soaking. So I soak for several hours, and all grains I rinse and boil. I will link below how to do it. It's easy, really easy, and it's important to do this way. And I will link below in my blog explain why all grains, pretty much all, you need to soak. Anyway, next ingredients: apple. Thinly slice any apple you like. I'm using Fuji apples. Grapes, red grapes, and we're going to roast grapes just like pumpkin. Will be roast grapes and pumpkin. Beautiful flavor, and you will amazed how grapes delicious after roasting. Red onions, walnuts, little bit of cranberry. It's fall. Needs to be some cranberry. And as a base, I'm using kale cabbage. Use any greens you like. Would be nice with spinach, would be wonderful with really broccoli or any other greens, even bok choy, you can use. Whichever you have on hand, it's up to you, whatever you like. Roast pumpkin, you need preheat oven to 400 degrees. Drizzle a little bit with olive oil, like 1 tablespoon or so. Little bit of salt. Black pepper. I'm doing very simple. Very simple. And pinch of paprika. You can add whatever you feel like, but I'm doing very simple. To the oven for 15 minutes, 12-15 minutes. Now doing the same thing with grapes. Little bit of olive oil, black pepper and salt. About 15 minutes will take. And for the dressing we need apple cider with mother. I hardly recommend. It's fermented vinaigrette, has some starter on the bottom, and I recommend to shake before you use. Dijon mustard, pretty simple, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic. We're going to use roasted garlic. It's much sweeter and I think more delicious. It has less punch but more flavor, I think. And here how to roast garlic. It's very simple, very easy. You just cut one head in half. I almost cut my finger. Just like that. Place in foil, drizzle a little bit with olive oil, just tiny bit, and a pinch of salt. And salt. Then close, wrap it up. I already made ahead of time garlic, and look how beautiful this caramelization. It smells so good. And I'm going to make in blender because it's just easy. And I want to show you how easy to peel this garlic. It just squeeze and everything come out. And all garlic meat goes into the blender. Add some honey, about 1 teaspoon. 1-2 teaspoons, depends how sweet you like. Dijon mustard, about 2 teaspoons. Salt, half teaspoon. Black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. And this is totally optional, but I like sage to add to this dressing. Just reminds me more fall and more, I think, more fragrance, more delicious. I like to shake vinegar so the starter can be distributed evenly. About half cup of vinegar and 1.5 cup of olive oil. And 1 cup of olive oil. That's it, super easy. Let's taste. Very good. Has a little bit tartness from a vinegar. If you like more mild, if you want more sweeter, add more honey and add more olive oil. You can add half more cup of olive oil easily and more honey. But I will keep as it is. I like this way. Now for the salad, we need to pre-chopped kale. It's so easy, and I recommend to chop yourself. Don't buy it already chopped. It's dry, don't look good. I check every single bag, and I never ever see good quality pre-chopped greens. Usually it's kale. Unless it's baby kale, it's not good when it's chopped. So I like to chop myself. It's easy and roughly chopped. Doesn't need to be too fine. Nice and soft. Let's leave to cool down pumpkin and grapes for 5 minutes, which is happens quickly on granite. We'll put together our salad. So I like to serve a nice platter, and this salad will feed easily 3 people for lunch or a side dish for up to 6 people. Onion and wheat berries, apples, cranberries, generous amount. And extra dressing you can keep in the refrigerator for up to 1 or 2 even weeks. This salad has so much flavor. I just feel walnuts would be wonderful here. And the rest of this delicious dressing I like to keep in a mason jar and serve with salad. So if you like more, you always can add at the table. Yeah, I think it's enough. Let's taste. Oh my goodness. Trying to get all ingredients in one bite, which is not easy task. I think it's very good. I think you will like it. I hope you enjoy this video. Give me a like and subscribe. If you like support me, please go to Patreon, which is I will link below, and I will link below similar related recipe and so many other fun salads to eat in fall or really anytime. Bye, see you next time.